Welcome, science superstars! Let's test your brain power with 40 awesome 7th grade science questions. Let's go! Which cell part acts like the brain and controls all of its activities? Is it A, cell wall, B, nucleus, or C, cytoplasm? It's B, nucleus. It acts as the cell's control center. What is it called when water vapor cools down and turns back into liquid water? Is it A, evaporation, B, precipitation, or C, condensation? It's C, condensation. Water vapor cools back into liquid. Which state of matter has a fixed volume but takes the shape of its container? Is it A, liquid, B, solid, or C, gas? It's A, liquid. Liquids flow to fit their container. Which force pulls objects down toward the center of the Earth? Is it A, friction, B, gravity, or C, magnetism? It's B, gravity. It pulls everything toward Earth's center. What green pigment do plants use to absorb sunlight and make food? Is it A, chlorophyll, B, cytoplasm, or C, glucose? It's A, chlorophyll. It captures sunlight for photosynthesis. What is an animal called that only eats other animals? Is it A, herbivore, B, omnivore, or C, carnivore? It's C, carnivore. Carnivores only eat meat. Which planet in our solar system is famous for its giant, beautiful rings? Is it A, Mars, B, Saturn, or C, Neptune? It's B, Saturn. It has spectacular icy rings. Which organ pumps blood throughout your entire body? Is it A, heart, B, lungs, or C, brain? It's A, heart. It constantly circulates your blood. What happens when you bring two opposite magnetic poles close together? Is it A, they repel, B, they attract, or C, nothing happens? It's B, they attract. Opposite magnetic poles pull together. What are the preserved remains or traces of ancient plants and animals called? Is it A, fossils, B, crystals, or C, sediments? It's A, fossils. They are ancient preserved remains. What occurs when two of Earth's tectonic plates suddenly slip past each other? Is it A, volcanic eruption, B, earthquake, or C, hurricane? It's B, earthquake. Sliding plates release sudden energy. Which type of rock is formed from cooled magma or lava? Is it A, metamorphic, B, sedimentary, or C, igneous? It's C, igneous. It forms from cooled, molten rock. What is the smallest unit of an element that still keeps its chemical properties? Is it A, atom, B, molecule, or C, cell? It's A, atom. Atoms are basic building blocks. Which of the following is an example of a chemical change? Is it A, melting ice, B, rusting iron, or C, shredding paper? It's B, rusting iron. Rusting creates a new substance. What are the segments of DNA that carry hereditary information called? Is it A, proteins, B, genes, or C, chromatin? It's B, genes. They code for inherited traits. What do we call all the living and non-living things interacting in a specific area? Is it A, ecosystem, B, community, or C, population? It's A, ecosystem. Living and non-living things interact here. Which gas is the most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? Is it A, oxygen, B, carbon dioxide, or C, nitrogen? It's C, nitrogen. It makes up 78%. What kind of energy does an object have because of its motion? Is it A, potential energy, B, kinetic energy, or C, chemical energy? It's B, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is motion energy. What happens to light waves when they bend as they pass through water or a lens? Is it A, reflection, B, refraction, or C, absorption? It's B, refraction. Light bends in different materials. What is the scientific name for the human jawbone? Is it A, mandible, B, clavicle, or C, femur? It's A, mandible. It is your strong lower jawbone. Which type of heat transfer occurs through direct contact between two objects? Is it A, convection, B, radiation, or C, conduction? It's C, conduction. Heat transfers through direct touch. In which cell organelle does cellular respiration take place to produce energy? Is it A, mitochondria, B, ribosome, or C, lysosome? It's A, mitochondria. They are the cell's powerhouses. If a liquid has a pH value of 3, how is it classified? Is it A, neutral, B, basic, or C, acidic? It's C, acidic. Anything below 7 is acidic. Which law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? Is it A, Newton's first law, B, Newton's second law, or C, Newton's third law? It's C, Newton's third law. Forces always come in pairs. What is the genetic makeup of an organism, represented by letters like BB, called? Is it A, phenotype, B, genotype, or C, pedigree? It's B, genotype. It represents the organism's alleles. Which plant tissue is responsible for transporting water from the roots up to the leaves? Is it A, phloem, B, xylem, or C, stomata? It's B, xylem. Xylem carries water upwards. In which layer of Earth's atmosphere does almost all weather occur? Is it A, troposphere, B, stratosphere, or C, mesosphere? It's A, troposphere. It is the lowest atmospheric layer. What formula is used to calculate the density of an object? Is it A, mass times volume, B, mass divided by volume, or C, volume divided by mass? It's B, mass divided by volume. That is how we find density. What property of a sound wave determines its pitch? Is it A, amplitude, B, frequency, or C, speed? It's B, frequency. Higher frequency means higher pitch. Which group of elements on the periodic table is known for being extremely unreactive? Is it A, alkali metals, B, halogens, or C, noble gases? It's C, noble gases. They have full outer shells. What is the name of the boundary around a black hole from which nothing can escape? Is it A, event horizon, B, singularity, or C, accretion disk? It's A, event horizon. Not even light can escape. During which phase of mitosis do the chromosomes line up along the middle of the cell? Is it A, prophase, B, anaphase, or C, metaphase? It's C, metaphase. Chromosomes line up in the middle. What is the term for a fold in rock layers that bends upward into an arch shape? Is it A, syncline, B, anticline, or C, monocline? It's B, anticline. It folds upward like an arch. What type of chemical reaction absorbs heat energy from its surroundings? Is it A, exothermic, B, endothermic, or C, combustion? It's B, endothermic. These reactions absorb heat. What symbiotic relationship benefits one organism while the other is completely unaffected? Is it A, mutualism, B, parasitism, or C, commensalism? It's C, commensalism. One benefits, the other is unaffected. What is the zone of the ocean where light can still penetrate, allowing photosynthesis to occur? Is it A, photic zone, B, aphotic zone, or C, abyssal zone? It's A, photic zone. Sunlight penetrates this upper layer. Approximately how long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? Is it A, 8 seconds, B, 8 minutes, or C, 8 hours? It's B, 8 minutes. It travels 93 million miles. Which part of the brain is primarily responsible for balance and muscle coordination? Is it A, cerebrum, B, cerebellum, or C, brainstem? It's B, cerebellum. It coordinates movement and balance. What scale is used to measure the intensity and damage of tornadoes? Is it A, Fujita scale, B, Richter scale, or C, pH scale? It's A, Fujita scale. It rates tornado wind damage. Which taxonomic rank is directly between class and family? Is it A, phylum, B, order, or C, genus? It's B, order. Order fits between class and family. How many did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments and subscribe for more fun quizzes.